Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying displays and mouse connectivity. Open display settings, confirm both screens show, and set the correct primary display. Once done, check the mouse link, wired directly, Bluetooth paired, or using a USB receiver, and remove any temporary extenders. Make sure to close applications that override input or cursor behavior, such as remote desktop tools or GPU overlay utilities. This clears common interference and prepares the system for precise configuration changes in the next step. Now you update drivers and tune system settings to fix cursor drift or loss. Open Device Manager and install the latest mouse and graphics drivers, or roll back if a new driver caused issues. Next, in display settings, match scaling and orientation, and drag the monitor tiles so their edges align precisely. The cursor moves along the visual seam when positioned correctly. Finally, disable pointer precision if it feels jumpy, and check any utility that controls multi-monitor cursor wrapping. These changes finish by isolating deeper causes, reset mouse settings, delete device profiles, or create a fresh user account to see if the issue is profile-specific. You should also test with a different mouse and swap USB ports to rule out hardware. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode and check event logs, or perform a system restore to a known good point. One key troubleshooting tip: if cursor jumps only between monitors, recheck monitor alignment and scaling. Misaligned edges are often the overlooked culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.